jwale le Floyd le ena le morapedise a ke kgone o re tla fetsa ngwaga kwa a ke tsebo tla e fetsa kwa ngwaga ke o batla le morapedise ka ba ke utlwa bua ampua mpe mo Floyd a re a nka se tle enseng ba lula ampatle a ke o batle jo amkhala ku tsekisa nka ba nna go tsibotsiwa ke bo Julius nna go tsibo zange ka zabalaza le wena o tlile ka bona ba re mothukiwo. So now,
hey everyone, welcome to Life with Makajeni. I am Oma Kajeni. On this channel, we are unpacking all the trending topics, and today's topic is about the General Secretary of the MK Party, Floyd Shivambu. Guys, 10 months ago, Floyd Shivambu decided not to renew a contract with the former party, which is EFF, guys, and that thing hurt a lot of EFF members, even the president, which is Julius Malema, because Julius Malema didn't expect to Floyd Uzumchiela or Floyd will join another party. Still, we are in that shock with Taibo Floyd is no longer part, has resigned from being EFF member of parliament. But I thought mhlambe uresignile but uzohlala njengo Dr. Ndlozi. No, Floyd Shivambu joined MK, guys. And after joining the MK, firstly it seems so smooth, but a lot of people, they were against Floyd Shivambu joining MK, especially MK members, guys. So now there are allegations or rumors that Floyd Shivambu has been fired from being a general secretary of the MK party. Guys, Floyd Shivambu did clear those rumors that no, he's still a member of the MK party. Now he resign, and there is no letter, a formal letter that came from the president or anyone from the MK party saying he must resign or he is being fired from being the general secretary of MK. We know that there were a lot of things, or a lot of rumors that people or MK people, they are not happy with the Floyd Shivambu. Mina, I for one, I think as Abu Mr. Philip Mbawula did say, Floyd Shivambu won't last to MK. I feel as if Floyd Shivambu won't last to MK, just because a lot of people, guys, let's just be honest, a lot of people, they don't want to Floyd Shivambu. But since Floyd joined the MK party, MK has been divided into two. So there are a lot of fights within the party, and I just feel like if the party, it was a new party, guys. Let's just be honest, there was a new party, and a lot of people, they joined the MK because they believed in the leadership of former president, which is Mr. Jacob Zuma, and the MK party, guys, the structures are gone. I think it was not that strong like any other party. Remember, MK ifomeke nje engathi into esibhudubudu, akusinto engathi has been planned for years. The only party that has been formed there, Puma and has successfully so and is still successful, it is EFF. EFF yaphuma kunto, and remember EFF yaphuma with a lot of youth. Abantu abancane, guys, they think fast, but abantu abaningi abaphuma ku-MK, let's just be honest, abantu abaningi who joined MK abaphuma ku-ANC, baphume just because they are no longer benefiting from the party. Abanye babo, they were fired from the party. Abanye babo, they believe that if we join the party, the former president, which is the MK party, will get positions, and when they get there, it was the other way around. It didn't work for them. But Floyd Shivambu says even if Magamtosha or he will resign, but he'll never, and this word he did say while he was still a member, I'll say EFF, he'll never join another party, and he'll still be a member of MK even if I'm in a position. But I do remember there were days that he'll say the exact word from since he was in EFF. And there you remember he was the deputy president. I for one, I feel as if people, MK people, they don't believe in leadership here. General Secretary, which is Floyd Shivambu, but I do believe in him. I don't want to lie. The time I said EFF, not knowing, maybe EFF even abantu ayisebenzisana nabo, they were powerful, but the time EFF, he was doing a very great job. And then now people, they are saying Floyd is not smart. Floyd, he seemed to be smart because he was working with Julius Malema and about Dr. Ndlozi, but Floyd is not smart. He just can speak. Hayi ukuthi uyakwazi ukucabanga smart, uyakwazi ukwenza ama-decision asmart. But-ke bazalwane bami zitho, you can do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like and share, subscribe, hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.